What is going on, guys? Today I got me a GameSir Pocket Taco. So I've been experimenting with this for the past couple of weeks, and it's been interesting so far. This thing here comes with this case that looks actually pretty darn good, I would say. It's very well thought out because when you have it in the case, you can actually charge it while it's in the case, but then it also serves as a place for you to push up so you can take out the actual controller. Now this controller is Bluetooth, and so you can use it without attaching it to your phone. It just sits there and you can just play with it. Okay, now the good part is that a very well thought out design, because they thought about, hey, what if I have a big old case on here? Will that work? Well, it does work. The design works really well. And as you can see, I haven't turned that thing on yet, but yet it knows it is on. Why? Because I believe there's a mechanism inside here that when I stretch this, it turns it on. So yeah, sure enough, when I'm in here, you can see that it says DualShock Wireless Controller. Honestly, I'm not sure why it says that, because it took me forever to figure out that that's the name of this thing right here. Okay, so now let's talk about the actual buttons itself. How good is this thing playing on it? Like most controller this size, it's very hard to play with. That's the one thing that I would say. Your hand will get cramped well, especially if you play action games. The other good thing about this is that you see this little hole right here. It actually acts as a through port, so you can literally charge your device while you're playing. So that's pretty cool, I thought. Just make sure that you get a cord that has that will fit, because most of the USB port will not fit through something like this if it's this fat. So FYI on that one. So how does this work with a phone that doesn't have a case on it? Which, who uses the phone without the case, right? Well, it works really well, because now the USB-C is actually aligned correctly and everything. You can literally plug in this USB-C right here and it will work. It will stay in there. So just be careful about that. If you do use a case, USB-C may not work for you. So last but not least, how responsive is this with the games? Well, it's as good as Bluetooth can get, in my opinion, because it's Bluetooth. So the response is not going to be as great as you plugging straight into a controller, but it's great for you to play, let's say, RPG games. I wouldn't go and play like an action game, if that makes sense. The controller turns off, the touch screen comes back on. But if I go like this, the controller will tries to connect, and as soon as it connected, bam, you're good to go. Works really well with the Manic Emu app that's on the iOS. I haven't tested on any other ones, to be honest with you, but so far so good.